It was October 23rd, and our family decided to take a motorcycle trip up to Suches, Georgia. We were riding along on these windy roads with the beautiful scenery, having the time of our lives, when all of a sudden we heard a pop! Yep, a nail in the tire 5 miles from our destination. We found a stopping place, waited for a tow truck, and tried to find a tire. We made the best of our situation. The park was beautiful. We took some pictures and waited. Finally, we got our bike to the shop. Turns out it wasn't a screw, it was a drill bit. After we got our repairs done, we headed to the cabin. It's the only cabin in Suches. It's called Two Wheels Only, and it's a motorcycle cabin. It's pretty cool. We parked our motorcycles in the motorcycle parking only spot. And went inside and had something to eat. It was my father's birthday, so later that night we went inside, had some cake, and played some games, and got ready for the next morning's ride. The next morning, we bundled up, hopped on our bikes, and went for a ride. It was beautiful. weekend was amazing. The colors on the trees were beautiful, and spending time with the family was priceless. We ate too much, though. Can't wait to do it again next year. Until then, happy riding.